This is an interesting capture race challenge for black. This type of pattern may not come up in games, but when they do, you just have to pause and calculate for a few minutes. Here, there are not too many options, right? You can eliminate a lot of choices very quickly. This might seem pretty intuitive, right? You're occupying white's liberties, and now it seems like a 3-on-2 situation, but white can succeed by simply bending here. And because black cannot come in here or here, black can only play something like this, and black is already dead after number 4. So number 1 here will not work. And if black plays something on the outside like this, then white can play this move. And it will be able to capture black with number 4 and number 6. This is a standard sequence. Throw in here first, and then play this connect and die from behind at number 6. What else should we try? This move also doesn't work because now number 1 will be swallowed by number 2 right here. And when black escapes at number 3, white can actually connect here. Black cannot come in from either side. So black can only play here, and now white can kill black with number 6. We've already tried quite a few moves, and that leaves us with this one right here. And this is the correct move. Let's see how this plays out. If white plays something like this, then what black can do is to come in here, destroy this eye, and white will have to play this to prevent black from coming in here at number 5. But black doesn't have to come in at number 5. Black can play on the outside. And white also has to play on the outside. And number 7 already wins this race to capture. If white plays something like this, then black must come in and destroy this eye. Once again, white will throw in here, and black will stand down on the outside and win the race to capture this way with number 7. So that is why number 1 here is the correct answer. Overall, not too difficult. When you're faced with this type of new situation, make sure you eliminate as many first moves as possible. Then you'll be able to focus on the correct first move and figure out the correct variations. Good luck, and thank you for watching.